Did you know that Australia has gliding possums? This is the sugar glider, one of a multitude of different gliding possums found across the country and into Papua New Guinea, and probably the most famous of this bunch. These adorable little marsupials are arboreal, meaning that they spend a lot of, if not all of their lives, up in the treetops. Those large ears and large eyes are perfectly adapted for assisting the glider in hearing and seeing their surroundings in the dark of the night, as they are nocturnal. The sugary part of their name comes from their taste for the sugar-loaded foods like tree sap and nectar, being one of the primary mammalian pollinators in the Australian forests, feeding on a wide range of flowers including banksia, bottlebrush, grevillea and gum tree flowers. But they are also omnivores, feeding on insects and arachnids, as well as the occasional small bird or lizard. Now, the gliding part of the name comes from the membranous skin that stretches from its wrists to its ankles, and when they leap from a branch or even the tree trunk, they outstretch their limbs to spread that membrane out into a parachute that can carry them for up to 50 meters from a single leap. However, these little possums are often confused with a larger species, the squirrel glider, and there are a couple of visual differences between the two. The squirrel glider is much larger with a slightly longer snout, with sugar gliders having a much blunter one. The ears of the squirrel glider are also much longer and narrower compared to the quite rounded ears of the sugar glider. The tail of the squirrel glider is generally thick and bushy with a dark tip to the tail, while the sugar's has a less bushy tail with a white tip. These little possums have a very similar lifestyle to the flying squirrels in other parts of the world, which is an example of convergent evolution, two unrelated species evolving similar adaptations to survive under similar environmental pressures. I hope you were able to learn a good deal about these adorable little possums.